shot down.
A man watches as his colleague is shot before his very eyes.
And I was busy holding him.
Right now, 2 thugs are on the run. Tonight, new surveillance video that could help lead to an arrest. All of this was for nothing. The 2 suspects wearing hooded sweatshirts ran off without taking anything. However, they took someone's life, and we talked to someone who knew the victim quite well tonight. This all went down along the 7,000 block of Edgewater Drive in Orange County. Fox 35's Tom Johnson in our newsroom with that, and also, Tom, this new surveillance video.
Yeah, this happened at 7:21 last night. Remember that time? We're going to show you the security video slowed down. Here it comes right here. All right, here come the guys, cops say, shot and killed 44-year-old Ali Shafiq. Watch closely. They go into the store, come back out very quickly. They did not take anything, by the way. Did you notice the clock? If we could take that banner down, there's a clock in the bottom right corner. Watch it again. These guys go in the store at 7:21:06. They come flying out at 7:21:16. They were only inside that store for 10 seconds. So whatever happens, it happens very fast. Now, the Citgo convenience store shares a wall with Pizza Boy restaurant. Dora Ruccasalvo says she knew Ali Shafiq for 10 years. She says he was a hard-working man, well-liked by the scores of regulars who come to both shops. She says she's just shocked someone shot the immigrant from India.
It's hard. Because, you can look at this, can be yourself, It's like you leave your house, come to work, and for seconds you can lose your life, And what I was doing, just work.
Dora says everyone called Ali Shafiq Sammy. He would have celebrated his 45th birthday, February 28th. Tom Johnson, Fox 35 News at 6.